So.
Yeah, no.
Especially when he beats him.
That's probably right. Remember back in the day, he would take like those video clips and put like movie stuff. Like there was that Western that he would put in there. He's just like, yeah, you know, getting people, sunning them. funny. Gotta love it. I gotta give a shout out to Mac. He really came a long way. They're proud of him and stuff. And they're still fussing with the bike. Gotta love it.
Yeah.
They're not taking no chances.
Way too scared with this one.
All right. Hopefully they're back at work now. It's like the suspense is killing me. You know what I mean? Like the moments before a Tyson fight in his prime.
Except this will last a little longer than a Tyson.
Right. Paying like $150 and he knocks him out in the first round. It's like, tight. At least we're gonna get a bang for our buck, and it's free. So. All right. Finally, like The Rock was saying. He's loving that. He's happy.